Learn English and ensure your growth. Achieve excellence in English with Arjun. We bring today the phrases for likes and dislikes. To convey your likes, you can use I love soccer. I am really into soccer. I live for soccer. I am crazy about soccer. To express your dislikes, you can use I'm not a huge fan of modern art. Modern art isn't my cup of tea. I don't really care for modern art. I'm not into modern art. I can't stand modern art. Express your likes and subscribe my channel.